Imagine pulling up to a red light in your sleek new ride, and the guy next to you who thought his car was hot stuff just melts into a puddle of envy. That's not a dream. That's 2025. We're talking about the next generation of automotive titans, machines engineered not just to drive but to dominate. In this countdown, we're unveiling 10 cars that are set to rule the roads in 2025 and 2026. Think revolutionary tech, monstrous power, and design so bold they could make Batman rethink his ride. Stick around till number 1 because it's not just about the horsepower or the flash. It's about which car will completely change the game. Spoiler, it's not what you think. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Number 10. 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid, the tech wizard. We're kicking things off with the reliable overachiever that just got a PhD in innovation. The 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid might sound like a vanilla pick, but under the hood? It's Rocky Balboa with a laptop, strong, precise, and surprisingly tech-savvy. Boasting a 204 horsepower hybrid powertrain and up to 48 miles per gallon, the Accord doesn't just drive, it glides on good decisions. With fuel efficiency like that, you'll feel like you're getting away with something every time you pass a gas station. It's got a 12.3-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so your playlist, calendar, and angry texts to your boss are always one tap away. Think of it as your very own digital butler with gas money. Honda Sensing is standard, meaning this thing practically drives itself. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, all baked in, making traffic jams feel less like torture and more like a guided meditation session. It's a practical car that's also smarter than most of us. And the price? Starts around $28,500. Luxury level tech without the trust fund price tag, and it won't judge you for ordering fast food for the 5th time this week. Number 9. 2025 BMW M3, the luxury fighter jet. Let's talk about raw, unfiltered performance dressed in a 3-piece suit. The 2025 BMW M3 is a luxury sedan that skipped finishing school and hit the gym instead. It didn't just level up, it brought its own cheat codes. It comes with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6, pumping out 503 horsepower in the competition trim, blasting 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds. With the optional X-Drive all-wheel drive, it's basically glued to the pavement. Your tires might wear out from excitement. Whether you're carving canyon roads or just cutting through morning traffic, this beast doesn't just turn heads, it spins them. Inside, you're greeted with carbon fiber, leather, and a curved digital display running iDrive 8.5, which sounds like a Bond gadget but is real. It integrates your media, navigation, and performance stats with surgical precision, wrapped in a cabin that balances hardcore speed with high-end finesse. Starting price? $76,000 and worth every cent if you like your commutes feeling like lap 3 at Nürburgring and want your passengers to question their entire driving history. Number 8. 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, the rolling penthouse. You know a car is elite when it comes with a built-in champagne cooler. The 2026 Maybach S-Class doesn't drive. It wafts. It's less about getting from point A to B and more about floating through the alphabet in absolute comfort. Powered by a 603 horsepower V8 plug-in hybrid, it offers 60 miles of electric-only range, which is perfect for quietly pulling up to brunch without waking the peasants or alerting the paparazzi. The hybrid system ensures smooth, whisper-quiet operation that matches the Maybach's regal demeanor. Inside, it's leather, wood, and ambient lighting galore. Rear passengers get reclining, massaging seats and enough legroom to do yoga or host a board meeting. There's even a built-in fragrance system because of course there is. Every detail screams sophistication without ever raising its voice. Price tag? $220,000. If cars were royalty, this is the Monarch, and it rules without lifting a finger. Number 7. 2025 Mercedes-AMG Cli 53 Coupe, the elegant beast. Number 6. 2025 Ford Mustang GT, the legend returns. The American icon refuses to fade. The 2025 Mustang GT now fuses old-school soul with cutting-edge tech. It's got a 5.0-liter V8 pushing 480 horsepower and an attitude problem that screams red, white, and burnout marks. Transmission? Take your pick. 10-speed auto or 6-speed manual for the purists. The manual shifts with that satisfying mechanical click that reminds you why you fell in love with driving in the first place. The digital dash and 13.2-inch touchscreen running, Sync 4 make it feel like driving in the future, with a very loud exhaust note that ensures the neighbors know exactly when you leave for work. Starts at around $48,000 because freedom shouldn't require a second mortgage, and muscle should never be muted. Number 5. 2025 Toyota Century, the quiet emperor, forget the crown. The Century is the throne. This Japanese luxury sedan isn't just flashy, it whispers in class. With a 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid making 425 horsepower, it floats more than it drives. It's the kind of vehicle that glides through city streets like a Zen master with a black card. Whether it's cruising through Tokyo's neon-lit avenues or easing down a tree-lined estate driveway, the Century moves with the calm confidence of old money and new technology. Inside, it's all about silence and serenity. Reclining rear seats, massage functions, wood trim, handcrafted by artisans with better handwriting than yours. The leather is soft enough to make clouds jealous, and the soundproofing is so good you could meditate during a thunderstorm. Even the doors close with a hushed elegance that says, "We don't slam here." Passengers are cocooned in an environment where every element, from the soft ambient lighting to the precisely calibrated climate controls, has been engineered to soothe. The rear cabin isn't just a seat, it's a sanctuary. Whether you're reviewing quarterly reports or sipping tea while streaming classical music through the premium audio system, it feels more like a luxury hotel suite on wheels. At $170,000, it's the car for CEOs who hate attention but love absolute dominance, and want to arrive like a whisper but leave a lasting impression. The Century doesn't beg to be noticed, it commands it, silently of course. Number 4. 2025 Audi Q3 Sportback. The sneaky surprise? Compact, sharp, and surprisingly punchy. The Audi Q3 Sportback looks like a style icon and performs like an athlete. It's the kind of SUV that doesn't scream for attention, but gets it anyway. It's got a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 228 horsepower and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive. 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds may not win drag races, but it wins the battle of comfort, tech, and urban swagger. It handles tight city corners like a pro and cruises the open road with confidence, all while looking like it just stepped off a runway. Inside, 10.25-inch digital cockpit, panoramic sunroof, and just enough German seriousness to make you feel like every commute is a formal occasion. It's spacious, tech-loaded, and refined without trying too hard. Starts at $39,800. A great pick if you like your performance with a side of subtle and your style with a dash of stealth. Number 3. 2025 Range Rover Sedan, the luxury wildcard. Range Rover making a sedan is like a lumberjack opening a bakery, but here we are. And surprisingly, it looks like this lumberjack can bake. Expected to blend RR's iconic SUV presence with a sleek luxury sedan silhouette, this might be the most talked about entrance in years. It's the brand stepping out of its off-road boots and into a tailored tuxedo, and the transition looks promising. Rumored to have both hybrid and EV options, tech straight out of a sci-fi film, and enough leather and mahogany to redecorate a yacht, the Range Rover sedan could go toe-to-toe with Mercedes and BMW. Expect cutting-edge driver assistance features, premium infotainment, and that classic Range Rover road presence, only sleeker, lower, and just as commanding. Prices are expected between $90,000 and $120,000. If it delivers, expect valet lines to get a whole lot more interesting and Range Rover to become a double threat in both the SUV and luxury sedan world. Number 2. 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE, the Family Flex. SUVs beware. The 2025 GLE is back and better, and it's not playing around. Whether you opt for the 255 horsepower 2.0-liter or the beastlier 362 horsepower 3.0-liter inline-6 mild hybrid, you're getting elegance, muscle, and brains in one sharply dressed package. It's like having a personal trainer, tech guru, and interior designer all packed under one hood. Inside, the MBX-powered 12.3-inch touchscreen, massage seats, and panoramic sunroof make it feel like a luxury resort that goes 0 to 60. The cabin is refined and futuristic, with premium materials and ambient lighting that sets the mood, whether you're on a road trip or just stuck in traffic. Safety features? Basically NASA in car form, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even features that can help detect drowsiness before you do. Starts at $60,000 for families that want to flex and look fantastic doing it. Number 1. 2026 Jaguar Type 00, the alien spaceship. If Tony Stark had a garage in 2026, this would be in it. The Jaguar Type 00 is what happens when a luxury brand loses its mind in the best way. It's bold, unapologetic, and makes other cars look like outdated apps in a world full of holograms. A fastback design, butterfly doors, and no rear window, replaced by cameras, give it a concept car vibe that somehow made it to reality. Every angle looks like it was sketched during a fever dream in a design studio orbiting Mars. Up to 1,000 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, and a 430-mile range on a full charge. You also get rapid charging that nets 200 miles in just 15 minutes. Boom. It doesn't just accelerate, it disappears. Inside, travertine stone, stitch-free wool, and brass. Basically an art museum that goes warp speed. Even the ambient lighting feels curated, like stepping into a futuristic lounge where comfort meets chaos. Estimated at $127,000. For those who want to drive the future today and make everyone else question whether they're still in 2025. These 10 cars aren't just cool, they're revolutionizing what it means to drive. From silent luxury rockets to muscle cars with brains, the next 2 years are going to be absolutely wild. And just like that, the roads will never be the same. But we are not done yet. Click on this video to find out more. Which car would you like to have in 2026? Comment your answer below in the comment section. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.